Okay, fine, I'll start. We have various other viruses, so similarly software attacks specifications, so hijacking the packets, so network intrusion, and especially this one is a special case to understand the level of informations, nothing but how the takeoff which are going to be take place. Suppose person comes and understand the complete structure of an address specification of a network. Through that one, they can easily grab and extract the MAC addresses. MAC is medium access control. So each and every system have their own MAC addresses. Through that study, we come to know very clearly they are executing, running the program, and whatever the tasks which are going to be through in application. But they used to do intelligently and find out the root cause of an attack through a network configuration. Understand clearly what sort of a topology, how the structure, what sort of a classes of the addresses are available. Through that one, they used to attack. I can say that one variously. If you come across the complete architecture and complete cross section of the IP, because it is a class full specification and a classless specification, if you understand, we can find out like offset to onset to beginning of the source point to ending of the sync point to. Similarly, how many number of packets are moving at a time. These are all the various levels. We can say IP1, IP2, IP3, IP4. These are all in secure flow to duplicate, control the information of various other network connectivity with the help of understanding a clear picture. Especially you see that one, they used to go very close to the device. You might be come across like a firewall, configure device router, configure device switch, configure device like whichever it may be. Because this intelligent and the smart device to store all the information, where the information coming from, which location, how the information which are going to be flow. And this is an attack going to be take place in order to steal the information, duplicate an information, intrude an information, and completely full-fledged the insecurity of the flow. We can call it as spoofing attack. Spoofing attack with the help of Internet Protocol addresses, so with the help of MAC address specifications. See, another important is if you come across, if you go for most of the time, number of advertisement which are going to become, you have need just online transaction and similarly browsing, whatever it may be, which are going to be happen through the advertisement. We can call it as adware. What it means to say is there's a set of instruction program executing which causes a damaging inadequately. There should be some sort of a banner to be displayed in front of the user, and we can easily understand our mindset automatically change. Correct? Now we'll click that one. While clicking, flow of an information which are there on the local machine, which are going to be diverted on the display and collect the information on the remote and whoever it may be, the advertiser. We can call it as adware. Through the advertisement to how the flow of a banner flow, which are going to be correct, no, scroll in front of us. So through email or a browsing or chatting during that time, our mindset automatically change. This display information, we can call it as adware, which helps recovering programming development costs and helps to hold down the price of the application for the user. It will say very clearly, manually can most of the correct, no, if you go with like a standard level of the trademark of the item, so we can find that is a durable. Similarly, if you go with like purchase, whatever it may be the item, going to be useful 1 day, 2 day, buy one, get another one free, like that way. Same as it is here also, the digital banner flow, which are going to be happening. you might be through the Flipkart, you might be made a very good experience. Flipkart to Snapdeal or Amazon, correct? No, if you are going with like a credit card or debit card or cashback or various other options, correct? No, see, they used to be study thoroughly. They used to review thoroughly, understand how the customer they are going to be through online transaction. By that time, these are the adware program which are automatically attack and they steal the information. Most of the time, the freeware or shareware applications. Today, what these are the advertisements are compatible to the any platform, any OS. So you can say that one to another, Opera, Casa, iMeso, etc. These are the standard tools. When you free, you can just go to www.opera.com or casa.com, iMeso. We can find out these are the free tools. These are the shareware and the freeware version of the tools available for making a program, a set of instruction program which are going to be interrupt and into the whole set of a network. And commonly usable advanced, we can say advertisement software related adware, Gain or Hotbar, BuzzBuddy, weather casting, Sidoro, various other, which are almost suitable to gain and making a pay into the whole network of a entrepreneurship or industry or like a business or though these are all if you don't have a proper set of VPN virtual private network, if you don't have a proper setup configured firewall, then these are obviously which are going to be attack and find lot of information problem. What are all the disadvantages? But most track users' habits and personal information. Keep in mind, these advertisement of a set of instruction package automatically look at and carry the information which relates to the personal. Understand? And what exactly the still a very easy way, simple way through with the help of open source software tools available. We can just go through the specific Opera and other, we can understand easily. And then another important is called a ransomware. It's a type of some sort of a malicious software available to attempts extract money. That means to say you might be come across using our email services. So you can find lot of unrelated which are not at all useful to my personal usage, whatever it may be. We can get through that one in terms of dollar, in terms of $1 million amount of which are going to be come to your account, which please get through that one. Your immediate flow of an information. You can understand easily. These are called ransomware, a type of malicious software which are going to be attempts and dominate whatever the information flow with respect to money. See what they will do. If you are using a social network of like a Facebook or Twitter and similar LinkedIn, the corresponding image of that one they used to misuse because you are close to with all friends. Same way, they will take acts like you, they collect the information, then they flow to the other person. So you are my friend and so myself. You are just I need badly the money. Various other state of an information they used to. These automatically these are all going to be infecting and taking control of the victims of a machines, and which are going to be stored in a cache of the wherever the document in the form of a documents. Ransomware is one type of very harmful malware which are going to be attempt and especially for how they used to be steal information, personalization information, extract the money which related. Typically, which are going to be lock the system also computer, prevent normal usage, encrypt the document and files which are not in a position to open. Suppose you have files which are very, very important in the form of like a Word, Excel sheets, so spreadsheets, so whatever it may be document, you are not in a position to save also, you are not in a position to open also. Ultimately, they are going to be encrypt that particular document with the help of ransomware. And also sometimes hanging also, sometimes system is going to be not in a position to boot up also. Normal usage is not coming. It go with like a how the state of an information available and understand. This is once again with our set of instruction packages. And similarly, like a spyware application that send the information from to the creator automatically this application level type of a virus. So creating an environment in our own computer and providing such a way that there should be harmful information to be each and every connectivity wherever the nodes are connected. Of course, what the Trojan virus providing an effective information sometimes consists of a core functionality, key roles functionality, and hidden functionality of information gathering. That means to say we are not in a position to understand how the flow internally and the hidden in a non-transparent manner, which are going to be take place without the knowledge of the user or a customer who are all using a system as well as a network. And especially the websites which are going to be marketing information. Some time the trends which relate commercialization of where the flow which are going to be usable, application oriented or business, there this type of viruses which are going to be dominant. And some of the history flow, log keystrokes and send those to whomever it may be. If you logged in today, you can find out after a long time, after before also, we can find out what is the status of information on 3rd February 2021. That particular time of an information, you can easily find out, trace very clearly with the help of a log file. Whatever the attachment, how the interfacing and interaction to the system itself only. With the help of this one, that's why only if any sort of a through digital hacking or digital attacks going to be happen, digital forensics, correct? No, they can easily find out to the keystroke. And some of the important antiviruses, because all you come across very clearly, antivirus in which way it are going to be provided. Clear, some of correct, no, detects, so prevents, so takes action about something goes wrong, correct, no. We can make you some sort of a malicious software program such as virus and the which are going to be effective. You are running like a documentation, you are running like a Excel sheet, you are using for the spreadsheet design specification, using the compiler, whatever it may be. Once we are getting the objective file or the executable file, that itself only in a position to corrupt, then we can make use how we can easily detect, prevent, and take some action which are not going to be effect from the set of instructions like a virus. We can call it as antiviruses. Today, you can see that one McAfee is there, Asset is there, Panda is there, Norton antiviruses. So, see, in order to make you these things, beginning with that one trial version, and these are all some of the license oriented. Deeply, you have to get into that one, thoroughly usage of that one. You have to pay each and every packages, each and every type of a antivirus packages where we can make use. Because the platform like a Windows platform, like a disk operating system platform, like which are going to be in fact, they which are very, very useful. Not in case of multi-programming, multitasking, multiprocessing environment, where immediately in a sensitive manner, the binary file attacks, binary file hacking going to be take place. There you can make you, these are the various standard level of antiviruses, computer antiviruses. And the denial of services. See something going to be correct, no? We are using like a system, so computer, network, application, so which are going to be exhaust with the help of main memory, primary memory, secondary memory, disk space. So these are how which are going to be categorically avoid and attacking network bandwidth to system resources, so application resources. So typically you can find out some of the important consuming bandwidth, large traffic volume. You can come across easily. We don't have a sense of how many number of users are logged in at this stage. But what we are using ultimately is going to be reduced. That means to say more consumption of that one. These are the various type of denial of services, override of crash and the network handling software. Generally, how long is going to be? If any sort of a crash or the failure happen to be backup or with backbone of a network, how long this recovery, you can call it as a repairing, repairable, maintainable, going to be happen. Similarly, send specific types of packets to consume a limited available resources. That means to say we are not in a position to send all sort of a maximum level of a data packets, but how specific types of packet which are going to be consumed through the network and providing within a time domain. Similarly, DDoS, distributed denial of services. It's an attack that causes loss of services to a customer who are all connected in a network, who are all making use of services. So typically, which automatically complete a failure, complete harmful to the system of network connectivity. That's only because the denial of services is basically coming from the system, where the workstation, where the console, how the user is a peered. But if you go with a distributed denial of services, so automatically lost to the user and ultimately where the connectivity of the network, its connectivity itself only going to be lose the complete confidence. Mainly central processing unit, primary memory and the secondary memory, network connectivity, attachment devices, so, and you can say switches, so, network product devices, so, and similarly, what is the bandwidth from the connectivity of the lease line? What is the bandwidth of the connectivity of the internet lease line? Similarly, dial-up connectivity, and we can make sure some satellite link connectivity. And these are all come to a picture because we are making use. See, ours is an environment where you are using a system, but which are dependable on distributed environment. Ultimately, not only the primary and the secondary memory disk space which are going to be affected, and which are the where the connectivity comes from. The main way we can call it as a backbone, network bandwidth and battery energy. Because if you are using like a sensor devices, so how long is going to be hold the power consumption, which are going to be usable. If it become battery become dry, then how we can make use for going for the services reliably. These are various type of a parameter, a part of DDoS. DDoS in the sense distributed denial of services. Hard to address, especially in distributed forum. You are not in a position to clear, understand the level of information flow, how best way, which are going to be simple manner, optimized level low, hard to address, and especially in distributed. And what are the mechanisms which are involved? If you say distributed denial of services, so have their own certain steps involving, you can say mechanisms. Main aspect or a target of the goal of that one is make a service unusable. That means to say, if it's a network, if it's a system, if it's a user, if it's an entrepreneurship, not going to be usable at all, unusable. And how that one overloading a server, suppose due to a number of users. So due to a number of packages are going to be installed, due to the connectivity, number of users are keep on increasing. Not only the server, connecting devices, routing devices, so where the packet flow which are going to be manageable in a transparent manner, a router or network link, beginning of the link, end of the link, or how the medium level services or the interfaces link which are going to be well established by flooding with useless traffic. That means to say, I say that one, these are the information you have to be understand within a short span of a time. It may reachable, correct? Now, how that one is going to be distributed with respect to the traffic, correct? Now, based on, suppose, see, I'm telling something, yourself also saying something, all together at a time. It's going like a broadcast. If it come like a multicast, during that time, the traffic is useless. That flooding automatically provide a stealing or a intrusion of a network. And mainly focusing of that one is bandwidth attack. Suppose you can make use, we have like a 1 gigabits per second. Similarly, bandwidth in terms of megabits per second, bandwidth in terms of kilobits per second. Mainly focus on consuming with respect to the bandwidth available that automatically attacks. And similarly, using large number of zombies, the advertisements related, which are a part of that one, how they can make use one and the other way for attacking, making unusable, and also which are going to be affect to the number of servers overloading and how the routing factors, a link establishment to flooding procedure in case of useless traffic. These are the mechanism, goal, how, and focus. And the application security, especially we are using a set of instruction packet like a software and the physical component and the procedure method to protect the application from external threats. Something goes wrong, we can make use a standard antivirus package for preventing and similarly controlling flow of a virus, external threats. It has become a necessary to secure application developed or used by the organization. Very essentially, because steps which are involving for securing and flow of an information with the help of understanding the real information from a source to the destination. And the professionals aware that how this particular type of an application, especially client side and the third party application, must be secured. See, we are come across, we are getting a connectivity from the BSNL, Vodafone, Airtel, Reliance, whatever it may be, correct now. They are the service provider. In which way they are going to give a service to the customer A, they used to give service to the customer Z also. In between, if something goes wrong with them, correct now, then obviously you can find out insecurity of the information. And still, if you continue like this way, you can find out within the organization and overall the person who are involved, like individual representation, various types of a client-side application that includes browsing. If you see the observation of the information flow going to be take place, and there itself only, you can find out security application, web browsers with a standard level of protocol, HTTP protocol, HTTPS protocol, multimedia program. Correct? Now, what will happen? If you use a multimedia, we have a transaction and the flow of an exchange in the form of a text, in the form of an audio, in the form of an image, combined together all. Correct? Now, we can say multimedia. How these are the program compatible to get audio, video, and the image at a time simultaneously. And a document reader level. You have to be read and understand how these are the interaction which are going to be take place during browsing. And we come across enjoying entertainment, gaming, social networking, and various other type of a purpose. You have to be caution. You have to be very careful in order to make use various other application like whatnot for our entertainment and the enjoyment. And there itself only we can find out some of the standard security application. These applications have their own vulnerabilities. A risk is there. How can correct no formulate which are very, very essentially removed in order to make them secure. If some sort of a vulnerability, some sort of intuitions which are going to be take place from this particular program, you try to remove, make much more security. See, some of the target level of the systems, if you consider as part of the application security, one is a server. Suppose if you have like a data server, if you have like a web server, if you have like a chat server, email server, website server, correct? Now we can see that one, which comes in the form of a 3-tier architecture model. Because any sort of a server have their own, correct? Now capability to uphold with the help of, once again, interfacing mechanism with a user and the system. Then say operating system, which type of operating system is executing on this particular chat server, email server. Similarly, we can say web server, whatever it may be, client-side applications, generally like Netscape Navigator, Chrome, Java browser, Mosaic, Internet Explorer. These are the browsers. So a user, a customer, ultimately interacting with the help of various type of browsers. We can find out easily how the state of an information available to us. Similarly, multimedia. I told you very clearly, state of an information flow which are going to be take place between a user to the target and the beginning point to the end point. One of the text is the translation, transmission, it varies from the audio, it varies from the image transaction. That there also the application security is must. Document readers, these are all client side. Third party application. In order to manage very effectively usage of full-fledged servers as well as operating system, it can make you some sort of a standard application available from the service provider. Vendor challenges for application security. Of course, you might become across which are related to the how which are going to be more usable, more recommendable for operating system platform compatibility already existing have their own security consideration. Some application, see today, if you go for finding a level of an app available in the technological aspect latest, see they used to specify low and compatible browser may not be supported. Then you have to go for Edge browser, Chrome latest development. Correct. They used to say, even though you are facing a lot of problem, if you go with like an online transaction or any sort of a form filling for your scholarship or for the fellowship, correct? No, they used to tell very clearly, these are all the information we need to be understand before going for fill up this. Then only, otherwise we can't read and understand. Some application browser specific development related issues also. What are the challenges which are involving application security? Non-standardization of policies, because you make sure such a way that this particular policy matter which are adequate and the admired, and you have to be adjust to the environment. Those are the policy are very, very essentially required to implement in corporate. No knowledge of upgradation. Chance correct, no? No information which are going to be specific. Once you start downloading, correct, no, specific app or the usable, then you come to know. Lack of knowledge for existing policies, awareness, so literal information, training, experience. So these are a low level. Risk analysis not done properly. That means to say, we know come across very clearly this particular system is going to be attacked and this particular system is going to be hung up, this particular is going to be hacking, correct? Now, even though negligence, risk analysis, you are not in a position. No planning and management of threats and the risk client-side application. Some of the standard security issues which are related to the how we can cope up with the flow of an exchange of the client-side application going to be executed on the server end, and collaborating with the vendors in sharing knowledge and experience. So sandboxing, that means restricting rights of executive to work in limited environment. So you have to be restrict such a way that this particular edge is only used for filling the proforma, uploading the information. If you create your own environment of a website too, what are the limitations are available? Various like user, some standard application, software, new versions of that one availability. And similarly, like a data security related consideration. Any type of the flow of an information which are available in zeros and ones, we can find out like an exchange flow, and we can say some of the standard security flow, a protection of an assets, property information through. One is called a prevention, another one is called a detection, and we can say reactions. How the measuring of a flow which are going to be damage the whole set of a property. If you are using a network devices, so if you are using a set of instruction packages, so which are going to be prevent or which are going to be detect, and how the reaction which are going to be available to one to another. And some of the consideration you might become across already the policy matter and the preliminary aspects of the security. You say that one CAA, confidentiality, integrity, and availability and the authentication. how which are going to be maintainable, and some of the standard level of a property which automatically requires certain points to be considered. These data security consideration involving how we can go with a scheduling backup or restoring or recovery of the files or archival. That means to say we can make use standard level of commands available in the system. Tar tape archivo. Is it going to be this data which are not going to be useful for the application? How we can make use in the sense of data disposal. One to another, we can say how the information flow which are going to be available with the help of information. We can say recovery, restore, archival, disposal. And these are various certain steps which are involving one to another. Backup also, and similarly, how the failure or the recovery of network happen to be in the set of information. No? And some of the actions which are going to be take place for a consideration of a data security. How the reducing of or saving of the information or separation of the data, and how which are going to be activating new, fresh, and everything which are part of. And some of the requirements of the data archival, you can say how long this particular, you can go with like a weekly backup, monthly backup, yearly backup, how you are going to be manageable for storage of a solution. So amount of focusing of intelligent contents information, optimization of total information which are available. Who is the overall the owner, where this particular information which are going to be usable, and how the application which are going to be guaranteed. These are a various type of a security flow considered as part of the data archival. And similarly, if you say what is meant by backup and the archival. See, we periodically we are not dependable on how the system is going to be much more reliable. But you have to be take certain actions and certain measures, correct? No, there should not be any sort of a loss. There should not be any sort of a destroying of the flow of an exchange. There you can steadily make some sort of a remarkable environment such a way that you have to be set up a scheduling of a restore flow. We can call it as a backup. These are all going to be make a copying, redoing, storing a flow of an exchange of a in the form of files, in the form of a folder, in the form of a system also. And very how long which are going to be usable. Earlier, olden days, we used to use like magnetic tape, used to like a CD. Now like a jukebox. So these are all the information available. And often for somewhat frequent schedule. I told you very clearly, scheduling backup is basically like a monthly, weekly, and the how the 15 days. So something goes wrong, then you can take from there and you can go for archiving. And there should be level of historic references available. But if something goes wrong, how we can archive the with the help of we can go through like a tar command, tape archiving. Usually the final version you keep in a compressed form, you keep in a zip form, you can keep in a gun zip form. Those are the long term how correct now without damaging the original status of the flow of an information, both in files as well as folders. Often formed at the end of project during major milestones applications also. These are the good idea which are there, how we can keep the flow of an information in the form of data. And data disposal consideration also as part of the security, stored legacy, and we can keep and remove some sort of a lost data, and what the procedure we are going to be. I told you very clearly, if something is goes drivers so backup, so tapes backup. So similarly, you can take all the information, deleting or destroying of data stored in the media, and how you are keeping the disposal of the exactly. These are all the information which today I have given a very clear information which relate to the application security, denial of a services, so distributed denial of a services. So what are all the importance of antiviruses? We can just go through which are all the most significant important tools of the antiviruses are available freely. How long which are going to be? What are the license oriented for effective like binary and the ASCII files also we can consider. These are the things. Similarly, ransomware is once again one class or the one standard level of various adware programs. These are the complete information. Whatever we discussed so far, this is second unit. Next class we'll discuss what are all the clarification which relate still we can understand the flow of an information which related to the various classes or the classification of the virus information.